Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Virgos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are the cards and I'll be picking one card from the Angel Oracle Guidance. So we will see what it is after your reading, guys. So let's see what are the cards here, guys. Virgos, we have snake, sun and fox. So we have two negative cards and one positive card here, guys, and a very positive card. So Virgos, in your situation, there are people who are envious, jealous, or they are not honest to you. They are not telling you the truth. They may be hiding something from you. They are holding some secrets. They are working against you, jealous of you. So whatever it is, guys, Virgos, in your situation, it may be a person in your career situation, or it may be this person you love. Whoever it is, you are simply going to whatever negative things are there in your situation, you are going to overcome all that, and you are going to feel confident, inspired, and you are going to taste success and prosperity in your life, guys. Abundance. That is what I see, guys. So whatever jealousy or envy that is there in your situation, you are going to overcome all that, guys. So you are simply moving in a very positive way. Your circumstances are changing in a very positive way in your situation, Virgos. That is what I see. You may be seeing troubles, you may be having troubles, but you need not worry. All that is going to change, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is your angel guidance. We have Archangel Michael. Such an apt card, guys. So maybe if you have some fears or worries about your future or about your presence, this angel comes with the special guidance and a blessing for courage and strength of your heart, guys, and protection. So we may fear what may happen in our situation. We are often faced with overwhelming challenges and negative thoughts and emotions that will just pull us down, try to pull us down, make us feel very low and sad, stressed. But this guidance is about courage and strength, determination of our heart, guys. So this angel blesses us with that. Such an apt card for your reading, Virgos. So you need not worry, guys. Things are going to change for you in your situation, guys. Virgos. That is the reading, guys, with these cards. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.